Do you have a favorite color? Have you heard of the primary colors? Well, in this story, the colors are about to get crazy. Mixed, a colorful story. In the beginning, there were 3 colors: reds, yellows, and blues. Reds were the loudest. La 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 la! Yellows were the brightest. And blues were the coolest. Everyone lived in color harmony. Until... dun dun dun! You'll have to read the rest to find out, because these reds, yellows, and blues are about to cause some major chaos.